Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to see small concept from the software engineering. What is the software development life cycle? So software development life cycle means actually we are going to create one software product. So what are the steps we need to follow? So that we are going to see. So we can see just through some direct the real-time example. For example, we can take a Swiggy app, or we are going to create one. It's a food delivery app. So first one, what are the steps we need to follow means as a planning, requirement gathering, analysis, design, implementation and testing, maintenance. So these are the steps we have to follow while creating one software product. So planning means what? For example, food delivery app means what are the things we need to follow. For example, what are the food is we have to keep in the app, and what are the restaurants we have to keep in the app. Everything we have to plan accordingly is a proper way. Yes. So next one, requirement gathering. Suppose for example I am going to keep it a 25 restaurants in that one. So 25 restaurants, I don't have any idea about that. So what we have to do, we have to gather the information. So this information, gathering information, they have different ways actually we can create. Through interviews, through observation, we can go directly restaurant and we can collect the details, and nowadays Google form and so many things we are there. Yes. So this is the requirement gathering. So we have to collect according to that plan which we have planned. For example, restaurants, what are the restaurants, and what are the menus we have to keep in the restaurants, what they have, is it available or not, that we must check actually. Yes, if it is not there, suppose we kept in the app means automatically we'll get a lot of problem. So next one, analysis. Analysis means what we have done, gathered information. It has to check and verify and validate the information, whether is it correct or not. If it is correct means okay. Otherwise, it has to correct everything. For example, when a restaurant is not there in the live, but we kept in our app means automatically it will spoil our name app. So we have to check properly whether we have gathered correct information or not. So this is validation has to be do here. So next one, design. Design means we have to do two types of design: architectural design and detailed design. Architectural design means, for example, full and full. What are the full structure diagram? One diagram we have to keep everything what we are going to do in the app. That is architectural diagram. And detail means everything has to separately we have to design. That is detailed design. Next one, this is a development. Development means nothing but this is a coding we are going to write. So here what software we are going to use, for example, even Java or Python, whatever we have decided, that we have to do here. Next one, testing test we have to conduct, and if it is any bugs are there, any errors are there, we have to rectify here. And last one, maintenance. Maintenance, it's just to improve the product, that's all. So these are the steps we need to follow while creating the software. This is the software development life cycle. It's very important and very interesting also. Thank you all of you.